Witness the dawn of modern viticulture, where technology meets tradition. Advanced machinery precisely harvests ripe grapes, beginning the journey from vine to exquisite wine. Precision machinery gently destems and conveys the plump, ripe grapes, ensuring pristine quality. From vineyard to winery, a seamless journey begins. Harvested grapes arrive, ready for the first step in crafting fine wine. This state-of-the-art facility processes incredible volumes with precision and efficiency. Millions of grapes are carefully prepared for their transformation. From the vineyard to the winery, the journey continues with advanced technology. Advanced destemming machines precisely prepare grapes for the next stage of winemaking. The machine precisely expels unwanted stems and leaves, maintaining grape integrity. Precision engineering ensures optimal separation while preserving grape quality. Destemmed grapes flow seamlessly, prepared for their transformation into fine wine. Colossal pneumatic presses begin their gentle work, extracting the precious juice. Through precision engineering, the juice is delicately separated, ensuring purity and quality. Gentle pressure extracts the maximum yield, preserving the delicate flavors of the grapes. The spent pomace is efficiently removed, paving the way for the next batch of exquisite grapes. The purity of the juice, a testament to gentle pressing, hints at the exceptional wine to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision testing ensures every batch of grape must meet the highest standards. Giant machines gently press the grapes, extracting the pure essence for fermentation. With quality confirmed, the journey to exceptional wine continues. In the colossal fermentation hall, hundreds of gleaming tanks stand, silently transforming nature's bounty. Advanced systems precisely deliver the crushed grapes, initiating the transformative process within these massive vessels. State-of-the-art control panels provide real-time data, ensuring optimal conditions for every batch. From colossal vats to precise monitoring, every step ensures the highest quality in wine production. Automated systems initiate the vital fermentation process with pinpoint accuracy. A skilled worker meticulously oversees the vast operation from a sophisticated control center. Digital displays confirm optimal fermentation conditions, ensuring perfect batch quality. From central control, every phase of production is meticulously managed, ensuring peak performance. The automated system ensures flawless consistency and efficiency across all production batches. This precision technology orchestrates the entire complex process, ensuring exceptional quality in every bottle. Deep within the fermentation tank, yeast cells begin their crucial work, transforming grape sugars. As fermentation progresses, yeast produces ethanol and countless carbon dioxide bubbles. This intricate dance of transformation is the heart of winemaking, shaping its final character. Precision technology initiates the vital circulation process for rich red wines. Rows of immense tanks churn, extracting deep color and complex flavors. This meticulous process ensures optimal tannin and pigment extraction. Advanced systems precisely manage fermentation for exceptional quality. Human expertise guides these powerful automated systems. Perfects the red wine's character, blending tradition with innovation. In the central control room, experts monitor every aspect of fermentation with advanced technology. Precise data analysis allows for immediate, critical adjustments to the production process. Through constant monitoring and rapid response, optimal fermentation is guaranteed for superior wine. Powerful G-forces separate impurities, revealing the wine's true clarity. The journey continues, with purified wine flowing onward. Advanced technology ensures every batch meets the highest standards. From raw harvest to exquisite clarity, every step is precise. This technological marvel is crucial for exceptional wine quality. Robotic precision ensures every barrel of wine ages perfectly in optimal conditions. Advanced robotics and AI maintain ideal conditions for every stage of wine maturation. Every barrel's journey is meticulously tracked and optimized by the cellar's intelligent network. This colossal, automated cellar represents the future of precise, large-scale wine aging. In the barrel room, experts begin the meticulous process of evaluating the vintage. A sample is carefully extracted, revealing the rich color of the developing wine. The quality control expert performs a crucial olfactory analysis, identifying key aromatic notes. The moment of truth arrives as the expert tastes, confirming the wine's character and evolution. They discuss the wine's development,
yes,
their experience evident
blossoming.
in every nuanced word. Their expressions convey deep understanding and commitment to quality.
The color density is excellent.
And the structure is holding well. We are aligned.
Precision engineering guides each empty bottle, initiating its transformation on a path of sterile preparation. Sparkling clean, the bottles emerge, ready for the next crucial stage in their journey to perfection. Bottles enter a colossal rotary filler, where precision engineering ensures every drop counts. Each bottle receives its perfect measure, a testament to unparalleled precision. Every bottle leaves the station perfectly filled, a testament to meticulous design. This automated marvel handles immense volumes, a testament to industrial innovation. Precision machinery rapidly seals each bottle, preserving the vintage within. Foil capsules are swiftly applied, adding a protective and elegant finish. The completed bottles proceed, ready for labeling and final packaging. A symphony of engineering, transforming bottles with speed and precision. Precision robotics ensure each bottle of fine wine is handled with utmost care. Each case is perfectly filled, protecting the valuable cargo for its journey. Automated precision seals each case, ensuring the integrity of every shipment. Each bottle's journey is tracked with a unique, digitally applied production code. Countless cases, each a testament to automated efficiency, are ready for distribution. In the colossal automated distribution warehouse, advanced AGVs orchestrate the precise movement of countless wine. Every movement is calibrated with precision, ensuring perfect alignment and optimal storage density. Precision and power combine as automation loads fine wine. With cargo secured, the journey begins.